Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage refresh rate settings on your TCL 27G64. So first, what you guys want to do is, let me show you, we can change it right here in the display settings. Now here we have it, and now we need to scroll a bit down until we see the advanced display. Now as you guys can see here, we can choose a refresh rate and we can choose it up to 180 Hertz. So that's very good. We can also change it to 60 or 120. As you guys can see, I've changed it to 100 now. And as you guys can see, this will basically also change my resolution because it's only for 1920 by 1080. But this is how we can basically change it. So as you guys can see, now we are at 180 and we can change it even to 30 Hertz. So this is the first way. Now the second way is to click on the white button right here and open up the menu. And here in the menu in the K mode, we need to scroll all the way down until we enable the refresh rate. And here basically it will also apply to the highest setting, so 180 Hertz. And these are the two ways on how you guys can change it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.